King, somebody behind you.
Top three, don't let up now. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
There's somebody on that bridge.
The last 2 now.
I got them both. Fuck them, dude. Let's go.
Yeah.
Over here. I got them both over here.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Hunt them down. Mission
Let's go.
accomplished. All
Let's
targets
go.
eliminated.
You see all those, bro? I just killed everybody with missiles, bro. Fuck these hoes. Let's go. Boom!
Dang.
You got shit? Fucking lit that bitch. Willis, come on, bro. That's why I'm taking starts too easy, baby. I'm a big map guy. I don't play this shit too easy. Come on. Y'all go down YouTube, see if there's no one on Twitch.